This is my notebook for SRD 2. I had to get a new one because I ran out of pages in my first one. Here is my table of contents entry. Last Tuesday, I researched what a Rube Goldberg machine was, and I went over the requirements of the project, and then I decided that I wanted the machine to ring a bell at the end, and I looked around my house for different materials I could include in it. Last Wednesday, I made a preliminary design and outlined each step in my notebook. I drew little setups so I could think it out if it would actually work. On April 2nd, I then checked to see if my project was approved, but I didn't set up stage 1 or anything. April 3rd, I then started gathering the materials for stage 1, which was a marble, a ramp, a basket, a book, and a pulley. I had most of the materials, but I could not find a basket lightweight enough to, like a small enough basket, so I decided to make it out of paper. Then, on April 6th, I actually started testing stage 1. I connected the pulley to the light above the dining room table in my house, and I had to increase the number of marbles that rolled down the ramp and landed in the basket because it was so light and did not lift the book at first. But because this was stage 1, I did not have the Matchbox car on top of the book when I tested it. Then April 7th, I gathered the materials for stage 2 and got the Matchbox car, the dominoes, the book, and set it all up according to how it would fall on stage 1. Then yesterday I started testing stage 1 and stage 2 combined. It did not work and I ran into some problems, so I had to find a sturdier basket because the one that I had made was still too light. So I then decided that I was going to try to also find a lighter book in case I could not find a different basket. And then today I just made another basket because the one I made out of paper broke, and found a lighter book and connected them both to pulleys, and I have yet to test it if it works.